Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log into your Chipotle.com account. So let's dive in straight into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open a web browser to get started, and in the URL box type in Chipotle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website for Chipotle, go to the top right hand corner and click on the sign in or the join button. Doing this will take you to the sign in page. Here, you'll need to enter your email followed by the account's password to log in. Start off by typing in your valid email address in the first text box. On the next field, type in your password associated with your Chipotle.com account. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking on this Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials for you, make sure to check this Remember Me box before signing into the account. But if you're using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked and click on sign in, and you have successfully logged into your Chipotle.com account within a few minutes. So that's how quickly it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.